Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for a fast and effective way to lose 20 pounds, you've come to the right place. Today, we're unveiling a secret diet hack that can help you shed those extra pounds quickly and safely. Make sure to watch till the end because we're diving deep into the science, tips, and practical steps you can start taking today. Let's get started. Introduction to the secret diet hack. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but what if we told you there's a secret diet hack that could accelerate your progress? This isn't just another fad diet or quick fix. It's a sustainable approach that has been backed by science and endorsed by nutrition experts. The secret diet hack we're talking about is intermittent fasting, combined with a whole foods-based ketogenic diet. These two powerful strategies can work together to help you lose weight faster than traditional dieting methods. Understanding intermittent fasting. First, let's talk about intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. The most popular methods include 1. 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. 2. 5.2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days and reduce calorie intake to 500-600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. 3. Eat stop. Eat. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. Intermittent fasting can help reduce insulin levels, increase human growth hormone, and enhance cellular repair processes, all of which contribute to weight loss. The ketogenic diet. Now let's dive into the ketogenic diet. The keto diet focuses on low carbohydrate intake, moderate protein, and high fat. This macronutrient balance shifts your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Key components of a ketogenic diet include high-quality fats, avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. Protein sources, meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Low-carb vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. Combining intermittent fasting with a ketogenic diet can supercharge your weight loss efforts by maximizing fat burning and keeping your metabolism revved up. Benefits of combining IF and keto. When you combine intermittent fasting with the ketogenic diet, you create a powerful synergy that amplifies the benefits of both approaches. Here's why this combination is so effective. 1. Enhanced fat burning. Fasting periods increase your body's reliance on fat for energy. 1. When you're in ketosis, your body is already primed to burn fat, making weight loss more efficient. 2. Reduced hunger and cravings. Both IF and keto help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing hunger and cravings, making it easier to stick to your diet. 3. Improved insulin sensitivity. Lower insulin levels mean your body is better at managing glucose, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. 4. Increased energy and mental clarity. Many people report feeling more energetic and focused when following this combined approach, thanks to stable blood sugar levels and ketones as a clean energy source for the brain. Getting started with intermittent fasting and keto. Ready to get started? Here's how you can begin incorporating intermittent fasting and keto into your lifestyle. 1. Choose your fasting method. Select a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle. 1. The 16-8 method is a great starting point for beginners. 2. Transition to keto. Gradually reduce your carbohydrate intake and increase your healthy fat consumption. 2. Aim for a daily intake of less than 50 grams of carbs to enter ketosis. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and consider adding electrolytes to your diet, especially during the initial transition to keto. 4. Monitor your progress. Track your meals, fasting periods, and how you feel. Practical tips and recipes. Here are some practical tips and delicious recipes to help you stay on track. 1. Meal prep. Prepare your meals in advance to ensure you have keto-friendly options available. 1. This can save time and reduce the temptation to eat unhealthy foods. 2. Healthy snacks. Keep keto snacks on hand, such as nuts, cheese, and boiled eggs, to help you stay within your eating window and curb hunger. 3. Stay active. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. 3. Exercise can enhance the benefits of intermittent fasting and keto by boosting your metabolism and supporting muscle maintenance. Common challenges and how to overcome them. While this combined approach is effective, you might face some challenges along the way. Here's how to overcome them. 1. Keto flu. Some people experience flu-like symptoms during the initial transition to keto. 1. Combat this by staying hydrated, getting enough electrolytes, and gradually reducing carbs. 2. Hunger. During fasting, if you find it hard to stick to fasting periods, start with shorter fasting windows and gradually increase them as your body adapts. 3. Social situations. Plan ahead for social events by eating before you go, bringing keto-friendly dishes, or choosing restaurants with keto options. Success stories and motivation. Still need some motivation? Here are some inspiring success stories from people who have transformed their lives with intermittent fasting and keto. 1. John's story. John lost 30 pounds in 3 months and reversed his prediabetes by following the 16-8 fasting method and a strict keto diet. 2. Sarah's journey. Sarah struggled with weight loss for years, but after combining IF and keto, she lost 25 pounds and gained newfound energy and confidence. 3. Mike's transformation. Mike's health improved drastically after losing 50 pounds in 6 months. He attributes his success to the powerful combination of fasting and keto. Frequently asked questions. We often get asked about intermittent fasting and keto, so let's address some common questions. 1. Is intermittent fasting safe? Yes, for most people, intermittent fasting is safe. However, if you have any underlying health conditions, consult your doctor before starting. 2. Can I exercise while fasting? Absolutely. Many people find they have more energy for workouts during fasting periods. Final tips and encouragement. Remember, the key to success with intermittent fasting and keto is consistency and patience. Here are a few final tips. 1. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel and adjust your plan accordingly. 2. Stay positive. Weight loss is a journey, and it's important to stay positive and focused on your goals. 3. Join a community. Find support from online communities or local groups to share your experiences and stay motivated. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has given you valuable insights and the motivation you need to start your journey with intermittent fasting and keto. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Let's achieve those weight loss goals together!